looking good.
All right, looking good. All right. So
All
give
right.
us a little
So,
breakdown of what you saw today.
yeah, I would just take you through my exact process, like what I did when I woke up.
Hmm.
So when I got to the charts, I was actually viewing it on my SMT chart, so with the three other charts.
Hmm.
But I know on the hourly, and then I noticed the obvious C2 candle right up here.
Hmm.
When I was looking at it, it was like trading above these highs right here.
Hmm.
So I just marked out this high, this blue line right there.
Hmm.
Then I went to the 4 hour chart and then uh, following the order flow, like we had this obvious target down here,
Hmm.
and then this is setting up another C2 candle,
Hmm.
right? So I was kind of anticipating a continuation from this swing over here.
Hmm.
So I'm gonna check the 1 hour again. Also see this, right?
Hmm.
So we sweep this internal liquidity. We're in a higher time frame uh, point of interest,
Hmm.
and then go back to our 4 hour. We had this easy, easy target right here
Hmm. Yeah, on the way down. Yeah.
on the way down.
And
So
your
then,
ultimate target was the low there, the external.
well, not on this specific trade,
Hmm.
but that was
The idea,
the
right?
right. The idea was to trade towards this level.
Hmm.
I wasn't
Back was the
expecting
order
it to
block.
happen. Right, exactly. I wasn't expecting it to happen as aggressively as it did,
Yeah, we
but
moved
back
almost
towards
500.
this level.
Yeah, we moved like 600 points.
Yeah, it was nuts. So then went to the 15 minute, and then pretty much after this closed,
Hmm.
right, I just kind of entered. So
Nice.
I just dropped my tool, my short tool,
Hmm.
bring it over. It's 15,
Yeah, you kept your
kind of
stops at a
plotted
safe
it.
high, protected high there with the swing.
Yeah. Protected high. Logic behind the stop was, if this is a valid swing, price will not come back above here.
Hmm.
Uh, so that's where I put my stop. So that was about a 50-point stop.
Hmm.
And then I just put my take profit at the session lows.
Hmm. For
So
London, yeah.
Asia low and
Oh,
London.
Asia, yeah. My
Asia and
my
London.
Asia is blue, like baby blue, and my London is
Really?
red. So
Oh,
right when I
really?
saw the red, I'm like, oh, it's London.
Yeah, no. But pick those lows just because low hanging fruit
Hmm.
on this trade. Plus, it's sitting right on this, the 4 hour target.
Hmm. Fair value gap, internal.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even go on the 5 minute when I was looking at it, but the order flow is obviously very bearish.
Yeah, we're creating swings, downside, keep pushing
Right.
down. So even if you miss that first move, let's see where 10 a.m. opens up.
So 10 a.m. was this candle, so
Hmm.
it shoots down, comes back up, swings,
Hmm. That's the wick.
and
That whole
right, there's the
move
wick,
up and move down is the wick,
the
and then we
wick for the
started
four
creating the
hour.
body. Yeah.
Right. Let's go. Let's have some fun. Let's go on the 2 minute.
Hmm.
So right here was an entry.
Hmm. Yep.
It's inversion.
Yeah, the inversion right there. Exactly.
Boom.
So if you missed that top move, you could have entered on this 10 a.m.
Yep.
continuation downside.
Could enter right on this close right here.
Yeah.
Whatever. And then easy target.
External. How many risks? 2.78 are. Yeah.
Yep.
That would have been your day done right there. Off of that.
That, or since we came down so aggressively, could have taken it down to the 4 hour target
Hmm.
or the daily target.
Where's the daily low, the previous daily low?
So right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that could have been a target also.
Hmm. So go back into the like 4 hour, 1 hour. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. So from your top entry there, if you would have taken it to the previous daily low, how many R's would that have been? Nine, almost 10.
9. almost 500 points.
Yeah, amazing. Still the same narrative. So let me see the daily cycle on that, like off the 50-minute or 5 minute.
We'll do 15.
Yeah, let's do 15. Okay. So London, Asia, London consolidation,
Mhm.
and then we
Manipulation,
manipulated up. Yeah,
reverse.
and then reverse. So expansion met with expansion,
Mhm.
reversal, same exact profile that we saw the previous 2 days,
Yep. All week, just
all week.
going lower.
Yeah, because the
Yep.
higher time frame was showing the sell side of the curve. We're pushing
Mhm.
down. So all week we've just been looking for sells,
Yep.
manipulation up, and push back down. So
Yep.
manipulation, consolidation, expansion, reversal, expansion back down. Boom, yeah, perfect. Yeah, that was like a beautiful trade.
Yep. Super clean. Super clean. But yeah, I didn't even see the SMT that you were showing me earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I didn't spend too much time looking for it because it was about to happen. The move was
yeah,
starting, but yeah, super nice SMT on there as well.
yeah, yeah. You had the narrative anyway that for the downside, so
You're right.
like the
I
SMP would
saw,
have just confirmed that.
yeah, I felt like I saw enough evidence.
Yeah, exactly. Like if you're convicted already, I mean your stops were at a safe spot. So even if you're hypothetically price would have reversed back up and taken you out, like it was still a good idea that you set up.
Right. Right.
Like you would have taken that trade over and over again, no matter what, because the setup was there.
Mhm.
Even if even if price reversed back up, it's like okay, well, all the elements are there for the sells.
Right.
Yeah, that's very
Clean.
clean.
Yeah.
So compared to previously, right? Like what changed now, like as opposed to how you were doing it before?
Um, I think
Because we've been on a few calls now.
right. I would say the main thing has just been again the being able to establish a higher time frame narrative
Hmm.
and then transition that over into the lower time frames, but then like knowing why I'm on the time frame, right? So
Hmm.
if I see a 4 hour swing forming or a C2, right, a wick forming,
Hmm.
I know to frame that on the hourly.
Hmm.
If I see, the daily, I know to frame that on the 4 hour.
Hmm.
Uh, so I guess just the process that we've been on, like, help me align the time frames better
Hmm.
and also retain that higher time frame narrative all the way down to, the entry time frames.
Hmm. Hmm.
And then not really, it's made it feel not so like I'm pattern trading almost, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I'm understanding why,
Yeah.
um,
Yeah. You have the deeper
this
reasoning.
exactly the deeper reasoning as to why the shifts in the markets are happening and, you know, what points in the market to expect them at.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Yeah. So
I think
it helped you
start
bridge the gaps between the higher time frames.
definitely, I would definitely say that
Hmm.
because I would say a strength of mine has been entries.
Yeah, because I've seen
Um,
you take entries and I'm like, damn, this guy, like you have good entries, really good entries.
yeah, I've always, and when I first started, that was the emphasis I put on in my trading.
Mhm.
Definitely got sucked into the, 10 pip
Yeah.
stop losses back in the day, but it has helped my entries, but I've always lacked with the higher time frame narrative and being able to use that to my advantage.
Mhm. What I notice with a lot of people is that they do get sucked into like having a tight stop, and they
Mm,
would benefit much more and capitalize much more if they just increase the stops at a safer spot and
definitely.
let the trade just play out. Because yeah, okay, maybe you won't hit like your 5R, but you'll hit your 2R and you'll capitalize. But you'll enter on much more opportunities and you'll be able to have a more stress-free trade instead
Yeah,
of having it
definitely.
like hit your stops multiple times and you're re-entering. Like why
Right.
put yourself through that?
Exactly. And a lot of times with these moves is like if you're right, you're gonna know like very soon because the move's just gonna move away. Like it's
Hmm.
just gonna flow.
Yeah, that's
But
one
tight
thing.
stop,
Yeah.
it's easy to get stopped out
Hmm.
over and over and over.
Yeah, that's one thing about the moves that we're trying to catch is that we're catching the expansion phase of the move. So like once you're in it, it should go directly into your profits right away because we're waiting through the whole consolidation phase, right?
Right.
We're waiting for the manipulation, so we can catch the manipulation at the top and find the distribution where it shifts between the manipulation and the distribution phase, right?
Right.
So that
Right.
from that shifting point, then it's all one-sided. It's gonna spool
Yeah.
towards its target.
Yeah, that's what I did for that. I forgot to mention that also.
Hmm.
I just use the standard deviations for targets.
Yeah,
Um,
off the
but
15
yeah,
minute standard
off the
deviation.
15.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Check the
15.
check the hourly real quick. I'm curious to see if there's yeah. So you could have even used the hourly
Yeah.
targets, yeah, because it was a hourly swing there. Check the what the targets would have been from here. Yeah,
Yeah. With smash them.
yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah. So next time, I think the best thing you could do is like obviously these opportunities are not going to present themselves every single day, but they do present
Right.
themselves a lot.
At
But
least once or twice a week for
yeah,
sure.
yeah, yeah. On the low end, yeah, for sure. I
Mhm.
think that when you have a clear opportunity like this, it's okay to double down on your risk and then take some profits off at certain targets, like a low-hanging fruit
Just hold
target,
them.
and
Yeah.
then let the rest milk it. Yeah, put
Yeah.
your stops to break even and then just let it milk and then keep trailing your stops and just let it keep making money for you.
Yeah. No, it's definitely get working on that a little bit. But
Yeah.
overall it's been a decent week.
Yeah,
Good week of analysis.
I don't want to toot my own horn, but I do think that your trading has improved a lot. Like
No, it certainly
in a
has.
very short period of time. Like there was a big leap. I think like once you like there's a clicking moment in your trading
Yeah.
where you're like, oh shit, okay, now I understand what the fuck I have to look for.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely it's not so nebulous anymore and like ambiguous in my mind. I've been able to categorize a like a system in my mind of you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
okay, like it makes sense now.
yeah. It all connects.
Right, exactly. It's all tied in
Hmm.
together.
Perfect.
But yeah, that was my day.
Awesome, man.